Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 109.
FunMath number 109. Okay, so we are back to doing the review problems because yesterday we did that problem about the coins, right? You remember that?
Yeah.
Vaguely? Ring a bell? Okay, so we're in the review section of our problem solving algebra, chapter 4, right?
Yeah.
And we ran across a problem like this, so I thought, and it was given a little bit of difficulty, so I thought we'd go through it. Do you have an eraser?
There's one over there.
Yeah, just go ahead and grab it, I'll say the problem. So what we want to do is we have this expression that has x's and y's in it, and we want to substitute in y equals minus x and then simplify it. Okay? You want to go ahead and start? Make sure you start writing over here.
Yep.
Okay?
So it's 3 times x squared minus x because y is minus x plus 1 minus 2 times y squared is minus x squared plus, actually that's minus x plus 6.
Okay, now normally I would let you go through this whole problem and then have to go back and find your mistake, but since this is the movie, you have made a mistake here. See if you can find it.
Minus 2 times.
Okay, you got to be really careful. So you wouldn't have found this mistake until you went back and substituted in some numbers. So you just got to be really careful that you're copying right. Here's an x squared, this is minus 2y. Okay, so what's next?
Well, this is 3 times x squared. Minus 2 times minus x is plus 2x plus 1. Minus 2 times minus x squared is the same as x squared minus x plus 6.
Okay.
Now, when we multiply through, we'll multiply the entire minus 2 through everything.
Okay, great.
It's 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 plus minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 12. Minus times a minus is a plus.
Okay, good. So how does this simplify?
3x squared minus 2x squared is x squared. 6x minus 2x plus 4x plus 3 minus 12 is minus 9. Did I forget anything?
You sure about that? Let's go back through one more time.
This is 8x.
Okay, so that's you got to be really careful. That's 2 mistakes. You forgot this 2. This is 6x plus 2x. So here's how to remember this. This is 6x plus 2x. You just got to go real slow through this. Okay, so this is x squared plus 8x minus 9. Okay, so this is why we're practicing these, because you got to go slowly through these. So now let's check this real quick. Y equals minus x. So let's let x equal 1, then y equal minus 1. Okay. Now the easiest thing down here is when x equals 1, what does this expression equal? Because this only has x's, so this is at least easy.
Yeah, it just becomes 1 plus 8 minus 9. It's 0.
Okay, so this becomes 0, interestingly enough. Okay, now let's put in these x equals 1, y equals minus 1 up here, and let's hope that we get 0. Okay. Now I'm just going to write in between here. Actually, do you have another color? Can you grab another color real fast?
I think this blue is good.
Okay. So I got 3 times, what's 1 squared?
Is 1.
What's minus 2 times minus 1?
It's plus 2.
Plus 2, plus 1. There's my plus 1. Okay, so I get 3 times 4, that's going to be 12.
Let's hope this equals
Minus 2 times, what's minus 1 squared?
It's 1.
What's y? When y equals
Minus 1.
plus 6. Okay, so this is minus 2 times 6. So this is 3 times 4.
12.
minus 2 times 6.
12.
So what's this top equal?
12 minus 12, which is 0.
Which is 0. So there you go. Okay, so the important thing here is you made two sort of careless mistakes. You forgot this 2 when you came down to here, and then you did 6x, and you said this was 6x minus 2x, and it's really 6x plus 2x. So number one is you do have to be careful on these problems because there's a lot of numbers floating around. Okay, and then you always have to go back and check. If I would have left, if I would have left you with those mistakes, you would have not gotten 0 down here, most likely anyway.
Yeah,
Unless you just got bad luck.
unless 2 wrongs make a right.
Yeah, 2 wrongs don't usually make a right. So just be careful, number one, and the more you practice this, the better you're going to get with it. Okay, good job. Actually, would you mind erasing the board for me so that the marker doesn't turn to unerasable marker?